In the fast-paced world of finance, understanding how to leverage tools like Toloka.ai can significantly enhance your content creation process. Toloka.ai, developed by Yandex, offers a unique platform that allows creators to delegate various tasks to a crowd of online workers effectively. One of the key features of Toloka.ai is its ability to facilitate voice recordings, making it easier to generate high-quality audio content for your videos. Additionally, the platform excels in content moderation, ensuring that user-generated content meets your standards and aligns with your video's theme. Categorization is another vital task that Toloka.ai handles, efficiently helping you organize content so that it resonates with your audience. By utilizing Toloka.ai, video creators can save valuable time, allowing them to focus on crafting engaging narratives and strategies. Embracing this innovative tool not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances the overall quality of your finance-related content. Ultimately, integrating Toloka.ai into your content creation process can lead to increased audience engagement and growth in your channel's subscriber base. The app.spare5.com platform offers an innovative way for users to engage in tasks like photo tagging, audio transcription, and short analysis, all designed to improve machine learning models. Photo tagging involves users labeling images with relevant keywords, which helps in organizing large data sets for training algorithms. In the audio transcription task, users listen to recordings and convert spoken words into written text, enhancing accessibility and data accuracy. Short analysis tasks require users to provide insights or summaries based on specific content, aiding in data interpretation and decision-making. By participating in these tasks on appspare5.com, users not only contribute to artificial intelligence development, but also gain valuable experience in data management and analysis. Moreover, the platform fosters a community where users can share knowledge and tips, enhancing their skills while benefiting from a collaborative environment. Engaging with app.spare5.com not only helps individuals earn rewards for their contributions, but also empowers them to play a crucial role in shaping future technologies. Lionbridge AI, now known as TELUS International AI, specializes in various tasks, such as testing, rating, search results, and transcription services. The company's expertise ensures that AI systems are refined and optimized for better performance and user satisfaction. In the realm of testing, TELUS International AI conducts comprehensive evaluations to ensure that algorithms deliver accurate and relevant information. Rating search results involves a meticulous process where human evaluators assess the relevance and quality of information presented by AI systems. Transcription services provided by TELUS International AI enable the conversion of spoken language into written text, enhancing accessibility and comprehension. By integrating human insight with advanced technology, TELUS International AI ensures a high level of accuracy in all its tasks. This collaborative approach fosters innovation and contributes to the continuous improvement of AI applications across various industries. As TELUS International AI continues to evolve, it remains committed to providing top-notch solutions that meet the dynamic needs of clients worldwide. Prolific.com offers a unique platform where academic research surveys yield higher compensation compared to many other options. Participants on Prolific.com are often rewarded for their time and effort, reflecting the value of quality data in research. This platform connects researchers with a diverse pool of participants, ensuring that studies are both inclusive and representative. Moreover, Prolific.com prioritizes ethical standards in research, ensuring that participants are treated fairly and transparently. By providing a seamless user experience, Prolific.com encourages more individuals to engage in research while earning extra income. The platform's commitment to timely payments enhances participant satisfaction and retention, making it a preferred choice for many. Additionally, researchers gain access to high-quality data collected from engaged individuals, which can significantly improve the reliability of their studies. Prolific.com also allows researchers to customize their surveys, targeting specific demographics to meet their study needs effectively. SurveyJunkie.com offers an opportunity for individuals to participate in market research surveys, allowing their opinions to shape products and services. As users complete surveys, they earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, making the process rewarding. The platform is user-friendly, guiding participants through each task with clear instructions and an engaging interface. Participants can also complete profile tasks, providing valuable insights into their demographics and preferences for more tailored survey opportunities. With a diverse range of topics, Survey Junkie ensures that there is something for everyone, making it easy to share opinions on products they already use. As participants engage with the surveys, they not only influence future products, but also contribute to meaningful market insights that companies rely on. Survey Junkie's focus on transparency and reliability makes it a trusted platform for users looking to make their voices heard. By participating regularly, users can maximize their earnings, turning their opinions into a consistent side income. OneForma.com offers a variety of tasks, primarily focusing on transcription, voice recording, and data collection services. Transcription tasks involve converting audio or video content into written text, ensuring accuracy and clarity for various projects. Voice recording tasks enable users to contribute their own audio clips, often for the purposes of language learning, voice recognition, or entertainment. Data collection tasks involve gathering information from various sources, which can be used for research analysis and improving services. Each of these tasks not only offers flexible work opportunities, but also allows contributors to develop their skills in a global marketplace. OneForma.com provides a user-friendly platform, making it easy for individuals to sign up and start completing tasks quickly. With a supportive community and resources available, users can enhance their capabilities and connect with other contributors around the world. As users complete tasks, they can accumulate earnings, providing them with a sense of accomplishment and financial flexibility. Overall, OneForma.com empowers individuals to turn their skills and interests into valuable contributions across various fields. Nevo.ai is revolutionizing the way language data collection and annotation is approached in the digital age. By leveraging advanced technology and a crowdsourced workforce, Nevo.ai ensures high-quality data for machine learning models. The platform provides tools that simplify the annotation process, making it accessible for both experts and novices alike. One of the key features of Nevo.ai is its ability to handle multilingual data, catering to a global audience. Additionally, the platform emphasizes collaboration, allowing users to share insights and improve data quality collectively. Nevo.ai also prioritizes data security, ensuring that all collected information is handled with the utmost care and confidentiality. The flexibility of Nevo.ai allows businesses to customize their data collection needs according to specific project requirements. Moreover, the platform's analytics tools provide valuable insights into the quality and efficiency of collected data. With comprehensive support and resources, Nevo.ai empowers users to maximize their data management efforts effectively. UserTesting.com allows individuals to test websites and apps, providing valuable feedback that helps businesses enhance user experiences. Participants are guided through a series of tasks, observing their interactions and thoughts in real time. As testers complete each task, their candid reactions and feedback illuminate the user journey, revealing both strengths and areas for improvement. Businesses utilize this insight to make informed decisions, ensuring their platforms are user-friendly and engaging. The process not only helps in identifying usability issues, but also fosters innovation by understanding user needs and preferences. Through UserTesting.com, companies can continually refine their products, ultimately leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. This iterative approach of testing and feedback creates a cycle of constant improvement, making sure the final product resonates with its audience. Furthermore, leveraging real user insights not only saves time, but also reduces costs associated with development missteps. Ultimately, UserTesting.com empowers companies to build trust and strengthen their brand by delivering exceptional user experiences that truly meet the needs of their customers. PrimeUE.com offers opportunities for users to engage in website usability testing and get paid for sharing their opinions. Participants can sign up easily, providing access to various usability tasks that evaluate different websites. Once registered, users can receive notifications about available tasks tailored to their preferences and expertise. For each completed task, users provide feedback on their experience, helping to improve the website's functionality and design. In return for their valuable insights, participants are compensated for each task they complete, creating a win-win situation. This process not only rewards users financially, but also empowers them to influence the evolution of online platforms. As more users participate, Remui.com fosters a community of contributors who collectively shape the future of website usability. Ultimately, Remui.com not only helps websites enhance their user experience, but also creates a platform for people to earn money while making their voices heard. Joining Remui.com is a straightforward process that opens the door to numerous opportunities for both casual users and seasoned testers. Timebucks.com offers users a unique opportunity to earn money by completing simple online tasks, like watching videos and taking surveys. By installing apps through the platform, users can boost their earnings effortlessly while exploring new games and tools. Social media engagement is another avenue for users to increase their income, as posting and sharing content can lead to substantial rewards. With a wide range of tasks available, Timebucks.com caters to various interests and skills, making it easy for anyone to get started. As users accumulate points through their activities, they can easily convert them into cash or gift cards, providing a tangible reward for their efforts. Timebucks.com also features a referral program, encouraging users to invite friends and earn bonuses for every successful sign-up. With an intuitive user interface and responsive support, Timebucks.com ensures a smooth experience for both newcomers and seasoned users alike. By consistently updating their tasks and offerings, Timebucks.com keeps users engaged and motivated.